Are you looking for a cheap garden waste disposal service around the Mountain Creek area on the Sunshine Coast? Then why don't you let us handle your garden waste problems for you? We operate from Noosa through to Caloundra and anywhere in between on the Sunshine Coast, and we can do general waste and rubbish, green waste, garden tidy up. We pull down and remove timber fencing, and we also do complete household clear outs. Our name is Sunny Rubbish Removal and Recycling. You can call us on 0405 355 568, or if you prefer you can email us sunnyrubbish@gmail.com, and you can also find us on the web at tiny.cc/rubbish removal. Give us a call. We will always call you back if you get our voicemail. Bye for now.